Hi guys, it's Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Missouri. Right here is the 350 SLX. It is the new layout that SeaRay came up with for this great model. Starting here, we've got the submersible swing step. Again, this just drops right down. It's part of the actual transom here. They redid the rumble seat in the back, folds up nice and clean. It's got a couple positions you can see displayed here. Right here we've got a nice transom cooler, keeping the beverages by the swimmers. Right here we've got the sure shade, comes way out, covering everybody, hanging out, making a nice shady spot. Available cooktop, refrigeration box, and stowaway trash can. Sink under there. You see they have changed this right here from previous models. You've got your wraparound seating, and they've made this here stationary, along with the driving helm. You can see here is the new update. We've got a very large berth area. Sit in there like a couch. Turns into optional bedding. I can get in there, 6'3", and got plenty of room to spend the night. Quickly, we can open up the head, which gives you a very nice option and easy access to a very large bathroom. Moving out to the bow and change the configuration. As you can see, we've got rear facing, forward facing. These do have fill cushions, giving you a traditional bow with the option of raising them into tables. Again, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach. Give us a call about this great boat. Thank you.